This is our ECP2 project. What we made is a tone pincher or a tone bender. Our main components is an op amp over here, which is a LM324N and a 555 IC. How our project works is that the 555 IC will be powered by the op amp. The op amp acts as a comparator with this photoresistor. So whenever there's a shadow that falls onto the photoresistor, that will produce an output voltage from the op amp that will go into the reset of the 555 IC, and that would cause the 555 IC to have a discharge voltage that goes through these resistors and into these photoresistors and back into the 555 IC via the trigger. That will cause the 555 IC to have an oscillating output that would generate a noise through this piezo. Now the frequency of the piezo is dependent on the resistor of these resistors and the resistance of these photoresistors. Since these resistors and photoresistors are in parallel with each other, every time there's a shadow that falls into one of these photoresistors, the noise of the piezo or the tone of the piezo will change. Since these photoresistors resistance will vary depending on whether there's light or shadows that falls into it, as well as the intensity, that will cause a different pitch through the piezo. So for a little bit of a demonstration, now there's a shadow that falls onto the photoresistors in front of the comparator that will generate a noise through the piezo. And whenever there's a shadow that falls into one of these three resistors, the tone of the piezo will change. And that is our ECP2 project.